Numerology is a mystical belief in the connection between numbers and different events. Numerology relates numbers to our characteristics, behaviors, life experiences, and how every aspect of our lives link to these numbers. Many ancient civilizations like the Chinese, Indian, and Greeks have been exploring mathematics realms and understanding this mystical connection. For ages, mathematicians and numerologists have been working on numbers and symbols, trying to decrypt the mysteries of nature. Each scholar introduced their methods and ideas, formulating different types of numerology. The East Asian cultures use numerology for a variety of things, while for the Western cultures, name numerology is quite popular. How does numerology work? Like complex mathematical formulas, numerology works on certain principles that attribute each digit to energy, which in turn affect our lives. Although each system understands numbers differently, they share a common principle: energy. The Chinese relate it to sound, the Western to vibrations, while Tamil uses various derived numbers. As every numerology system is a little different, one must understand the principles to understand the results. Chaldean numerology. The Chaldean system goes back to the days of Babylon, the times when numerology was often related to astrology. According to the Chaldean system, each digit represents a personality trait. It follows a name numerology chart that maps each alphabet to a digit from 1 to 8, and the results are understood based on the name. Kabbalah numerology. The Kabbalah numerology readings are based on the Jewish culture and Hebrew literature. This numerology system is usually used for understanding the future and current life events of a person. The Kabbalah understands the universe in the form of energies and vibrations. It uses Tree of Life, which is a graphical representation of various universal forces. Vedic numerology. Finding its roots in the land of zero, Vedic numerology is also known as Indian numerology. Known to be among the oldest numerology systems, the Vedic numerology uses the digits 1 to 9, and each of these numbers holds a special meaning. Pythagorean numerology. The Pythagorean numerology method was developed by the renowned Greek philosopher Pythagoras. This numerology is highly popular in Western cultures. According to Pythagoras, every number portrays specific energy. The energy that mends and drives our lives and experiences. As per his system, these energies can be both positive and negative. And so, the horoscope is based on a combination of various numbers and energy interactions. Using the numbers from 1 to 9, everything can be expressed in the form of formulae and expressions. How is numerology related to us? From the moment you are born, numbers become a part of your life. There are your birth date and time, coordinates to your birthplace, weight, and so on. Hence, it wouldn't be wrong to think if these numbers affect you in some way. Numerology is based on predictive calculations and understanding how energies interact. When a person is born, the universe is in some state of energy, and this somehow governs a person's behavioral, physical, and emotional traits. Numbers are just a way to understand these energies and get a glimpse of how they affect one's life. Numerology is all about acknowledging these driving forces and mending one's way through the journey. Numbers in the Chinese culture. The Chinese numerology was born about 4,000 years ago. Like Feng Shui and Chinese astrology, many ancient Chinese beliefs are also based on this number system. The Chinese categorize their numbers based on their sounds and if they are lucky or unlucky. The digit 0 is seen as a symbol of completeness and perfection. And so, it isn't considered a part of the number system. The Lo Shu square, a number grid of digits from 1 to 9, is extensively used in the Chinese culture, for architectural design or determining the future. It is everywhere. The Chinese are skeptical about number 4 as it is considered unlucky. Digits 6 and 8, on the other hand, are seen are a sign of prosperity and success. Reading the correct signs. Numerology is quite powerful and comes really close to real life. Most of the popular methods are precise and accurate, presenting a reflection of your life. But, all results are generalized and based on probability. Therefore, if you believe in numerology, you must understand the message and not the literal meaning. These numbers pave a path and guide you through life, but your actions ultimately unfold the future. In all ancient literature and philosophies, karma is a powerful force. The strongest feature of the numerology horoscope is that there are so many numbers and meanings. Thus, giving one the freedom to understand the results from their perspective. Reliable and trusted numerology calculators like numerologist.com can help you discover the numbers that drive your life. Link available in the description below. You can calculate your birth number, find your master number, and explore your horoscope. People are often puzzled with thoughts like, how do I figure out what my numerology number is? What is the meaning of my birthday? Or what's my lucky number? With this calculator, you can calculate all these numbers on the go, and even explore the numerology reports to get detailed insights about your life. Life unfolds new mysteries every moment, putting new experiences for us. Numerology is a sophisticated spiritual method that helps you connect the dots and look at the bigger picture. If you truly believe in the power of numbers and are fascinated with the secrets of life, it's never too late to know your numbers. Try out some numerology calculator and let the universe reveal its secrets.